Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on Fetch.ai. Recently on a daily time frame chart, Fetch.ai has formed this descending triangle. And here you can see that here we have the downtrend line resistance of this triangle. We got stable ejections here. Then we had a fake out, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48 and re-enter the same triangle. Then we got stable ejections here, few rejections here, few more rejections here, almost two more rejections here, and two or three more rejections here. Then we got another rejection here, and finally the price and again tried to break it out, but that was another fake out, and the price and re-entered the same triangle. And then we got stable rejections once again by this resistance, and now recently the price and has dropped down at this support. And you can see that we have been testing the support here, and now for the past few days, the price and is testing the support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern and from this down channel as well. By the way, when it was moving inside this wedge in those days, I shared several videos with you that once Fetch.ai will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, then we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a very powerful rally. By the way, the technical target for this breakout, I was telling you, can be here at the top of the wedge that was approximately at $1.20, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target up to $3.12. That was, by the way, from this low when it was testing the support of the wedge here up till this high. You can see that was more than 6,503% pump, and the price and got rejected by this resistance on that starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Fetch.ai with you that I shared with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Fetch.ai that I shared on 8th of May 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that Fetch.ai was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line first dropped down and entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal and read the sell target zone here. And this was, by the way, almost 10% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And after that, by the way, we had a bigger pump as well. Now let me take you to the live chart of Fetch.ai. And recently on the daily time frame chart, you can see that it has formed this descending triangle. And you can see that it is testing the resistance more than the support. That was a quite clear signal that eventually the pricing can break out the resistance. And here we had a fake out, here we had a fake out. We got stable ejections here, stable ejections here, here, and here as well. And now recently it is again dropped down at the support, and for the past several days it is testing the support. By the way, here we had a long spike to the downside, but the price end did not break down the support. Here we again tested the support, and now here we had another spike to the downside, but the price end recovered back very soon and now re-entered the same channel, same triangle. By the way, this support is at $1.60. And now let's take a look at the targets. Then in case of breaking down this triangle, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at 83 cents. And in that situation, we can also break down this support of $1.03 as well. And in case of breaking out this triangle, the target to the upside will be here at $4.10. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern. By the way, the target for the breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $1.10. And you can see that the price and has rallied beyond that target. And by the way, during this rally, we also broke out this long-term down channel as well, another down channel. And now recently we have found this very long-term resistance on that starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48. Therefore, in order to continue this rally, we will first need to break out this triangle, and then we will need to break out this resistance on that starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48. And in case of breaking out this resistance on, it will be flipped into a long-term support zone, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.